What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Really Meech. It's your boy. It's your boy. It's your boy. It's your boy. I'm back to looking hit just so y'all could get a vid. I was trying to make that rhyme, but it ain't work out. It ain't work out. So right now, I just woke up. As y'all can see, I'm off the wake up. So yeah, whoa, phone going crazy in the bathroom. So I'm about to go to the bathroom and clean up, and then we're gonna head outside because we gotta talk about something dealing with her. Yeah, it's not looking good for me right now. Help me! Okay, so now we back in the room. I just did a, you know what I'm saying, clean. So now we back in the room, and I'm about to clean up because, so like on the dresser, it's a little messy. The dresser's a little messy. I got clamps that I got from Big Baby yesterday. Block parts, clips, receipts, cleaning kit, ammo, keys. All this stuff has to go, you know, back together and whatnot. And then I need to like make my bed up. I got some wires for charging cameras all over the floor and stuff. All this stuff has to be done before I go outside because when I come back inside, I just want to lay down and take a nap before I have to go back out to work. So this video is going to give you some, basically, all it's gonna do is give you guys like insight on like what I do almost on a daily, and then a little bit of the bad news for the day. So hopefully bad news can turn to good news. Y'all just stay tuned. Okay guys, so the room is fairly clean. I put my blanket up here so that it can get a little bit of air and whatnot, and just a little bit about me, so yeah, it's fairly clean now. I do need to do my laundry. And because that sun was just blurred, that means you guys are dirty. Boom, that's better. Way better. So yeah, I do need to do my laundry. The weapon is back in the weapons case, safe and sound, so no one can use it. Yeah. That is that. So right now we're about to head outside. I gotta put these clamps and stuff in the garage. I don't know how I made it upstairs with them. So we're gonna put that in the garage. And then we're gonna talk about the bad news. It sucks. But maybe we can get it working. Alright, so we made it outside. And I'm about to put these clamps down before I actually forget and end up walking off with them all over again. So, the bad news is that, well, the car won't start. Oh, what do you mean the car won't start? The car will not start. After the burnout, I don't know what I did. I do know that I parked it back where I had to park it before I go to work. And I was gonna actually like drive off because I had a friend that has a yellow, is it a Q50? I think it's a Q50. So he has the Q50, but anyway, he has a nice car. It's a nice Infiniti, and yeah. So I was prepared to drive with them because like we all went to the same tuner and got cars tuned, except for the one in the yellow car. I'll show you guys a couple of pictures like right now. But, so the thing was, I was ready to go out to work yesterday and I was trying to start the car, and when I tried to start the car, I wouldn't get a click, a crank, nothing. No sound, but I hear the fuel pump priming, the lights pop up on the dash, and the battery is new. So, what does that mean? What does that mean, guys? Starter. So maybe when I did the burnout yesterday, the cable for the starter either fell off or something. I just want to hope that it did not rip. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jack up the car, and then let's see if I can show you guys what it looks like underneath. Hopefully we can just like put something together and just, you know, and just start the car back up, because this would be terrible if I had to buy a new starter. It'd be tragic. It'd be tragic. Alright, so we got the car jacked up. She's just gonna open up the hood. Then open up the door. Let's crack the windows too. This is how you know the battery's good. I'm just gonna show you guys that it does not start and that I'm not tripping. Ooh, it's hot in here. See that? Just a flick. All right, so that is that. It is steaming in there. Wow. So, yeah, now I'm gonna get down underneath the car. Let me see if I can show you guys what is going on, if I can find out what is going on. If not, I'm gonna have to have one of my buddies come over and help me out. But all terminals are strong. I don't know what it could be. I have no idea of what it could be. Oh, starter. The starter's on this side. So we about to get down under there. Under there and see if we can figure out why the starter wanna act crazy. Let's do it. So right now, guys, I ain't getting no luck. I'm getting nowhere. I had my little brother try to start the car while I tapped the starter, and still still nothing. To be honest, still nothing. So, yeah, that's that. I don't want to go get a starter if it's actually not the starter. That's the only thing. Like, that's the only problem. I don't want to go get another starter if it's not the starter, because then that means you have to, like, I'd have to take the other one out, take it back out, and send it back just to get my money back. I don't want to do all of that. I want to make sure it is the problem so that I don't have to worry about the problem. All right, so I just text him if I get started today. Would you be able to put it in tomorrow? If I can't do it, I can do it. I just don't want to do it. I'm a little lazy. I get how do you say, overwhelmed, I guess is the word, maybe. When things start to happen with my car and I start to like give up very, 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 very quick. But then when certain shit happens with the car, I end up, like, when it goes good, I end up like wanting to do this like more and more and more and more and more. So it's just, I guess, like the part of, you know, failing that I don't like. But nobody likes failing. Nobody likes failing. Hopefully we can get this fixed before Nissan Day. And if we get it fixed, we are going to continue to do burnouts. Do not worry. We are going to continue to do burnouts. Thanks for watching, though, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on those bell post notifications so you can see when Unruly Meech is dropping unruly vids. My thing. Ooh, that sun on me. We go. And just when y'all thought the vlog was over, I start sweating more. I was outside playing football with my little brother. That's crazy. I haven't done like activities with him since forever. I know, like, family stuff, and you always arguing with that. But yeah, we getting over that. Nonetheless, a package just came in, so let's unbox it real quick. There you go. I sweat a lot. I'm about to actually wash clothes too before I go to work. What do we have here? All right, here we go. Another package inside of a package. Oh, so we now have the connectors to, which one? This is for the G35, so this is going to connect into the G35. So the connectors to the G35. So this is part of the radio setup, so that's good. Now we're just waiting on 2 more parts, and then we shall be okay. Alright, now we really out of here.